looking at the left, we have this limited, and now for our retest, we had that limited hip external rotation on the left. Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Greg Chaplin. I'm a physical therapist and strength and conditioning specialist. And in this video, I want to do a quick demonstration of how to use a hip internal rotation based exercise to improve hip external rotation. So we're going to go through our pre-test, we'll do the exercise, and then we'll do a post-test. We're going to look at hip internal and external rotation. And so how we're going to do that is we're simply going to swivel this way. We're looking for about 45 degrees there, so I'm pretty close here on the right. And then hip internal rotation, we're again looking for about 45 degrees, and I'm a little shy there on the right. Now looking at the left, we have this limited hip external rotation measure here. That's 25 or 30 degrees there, and internal rotation is looking pretty okay on that side. So now let's go through the exercise, and then we'll retest those same tests afterwards. So for this exercise, we have a pillow underneath the hips, and we have a band around the ankles here. We're going to keep the knees relatively close together, and then we're going to pull out at the ankles with the band here. And once we have this in this position, we're going to hold one side steady. We go out and back in with the other side. You can inhale on the way out, exhale on the way back. You should start to feel the glutes engage, or maybe the hamstrings a little bit. You're going to relax your back. Then you're going to hold on that side and you'll do the other side. And now for our retest, we had that limited hip external rotation on the left. Let's take a look. And as we can see, I got a whole lot more hip external rotation there on the left by using an internal rotation based exercise. So stay tuned for future videos. If you like this one, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.